We're going to show you something that you don't get to see every day. A lot of people don't want to show you this, but a lot of people actually can't. This is an image, video of a project that's actually well established. So they do show some age as far as the coloring's concerned. We're going to show you this, and we're also going to show you how quickly it comes back to life and it looks like a new project. A lot of people don't have projects that have been in the ground this long, so they can't really show you a longevity of a project. And we do plenty of them, and many of them are standing longer than a lot of these new guys have been in business. So we're trying to differentiate ourselves and show you what we have to offer and just what makes us a little bit different. This is a perfect example. Project installed probably about 13 years ago, and this just needs cleaned up, that's all. And we'll clean it up and show you how quickly it comes back to life. So here we are a few minutes later, and you can see the vast improvement over what it looked like, and this really did not take very long at all.